Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And as you can see, I am here at Noovo headquarters, and I'm gonna walk new owners through what to expect when you come here to Las Vegas to pick up your new van. So when you arrive here at Noovo, you're gonna have a little bit of a drive from the strip or the airport. It's about a 25-30 minute drive, so just know that. So if you're gonna stay at a hotel on the strip or whatnot, you need to plan accordingly. And when you get here, you are going to go right in these front doors, right here, where you will be greeted by a member of the Noovo team and then your salesperson.
All right. Welcome to Noovo. The day is finally here. You want to go out and see your van?
Let's go take a look.
All right, follow me. This is Kate, our delivery specialist.
Hi, Kate.
Hi, nice to meet you.
And then after you are escorted by your salesperson over to the pickup area, you are going to meet this lady right here, the newest member of Noovo, and I'm going to let her introduce herself and tell you what she does.
Hi, I'm Kate, and I'm the new delivery specialist here at Noovo. I'll be giving you a call about 2 weeks before your van goes into production to offer tips for smooth delivery, like how to set up your Starlink to save a lot of time once you're here. I look forward to seeing you here at Noovo.
And as Kate mentioned, 2 weeks prior to your pickup, she will reach out to you, go over everything, including Starlink like she mentioned. And I bring that up because that process can take a little bit, so you definitely want to make sure you get that set up prior with the team. They'll give you everything you need, get that set up so when you get here it doesn't slow down the pickup process. You don't want to be waiting around for 45 minutes to an hour to get that all set up. And once you're at your van with Kate, she is going to walk you through all the systems. That includes all the electrical systems, the water systems, looking inside your fridge, knowing how to use that, how to read the Victron touchscreen and monitor all your power incoming and outgoing, and how to even operate your toilet, because I know toilet talk is important in the RV world. And one common question that we receive in the Noovo Facebook group on our videos, and that the Noovo team receives via email and comments, is what items do I need to bring? What items do I need for the van when I pick it up? So we're talking bedding, all that kind of stuff. Well, the good thing is you can actually have that stuff shipped here from Amazon or wherever you order from, right here to Noovo, and they will put all your stuff on a pallet and it'll be waiting for you when you get here to pick up your van. The team will have the pallet set up right next to your van. You can start pulling off the items, get them loaded up, take your time, and really just have everything with you that you think you need. And that is simply amazing and not something that many RV manufacturers do. I will note though, don't go crazy, order everything that you think you need. I really recommend getting in the van, having the basics or the things that you are 100% sure you want or need, and traveling in the van for a little bit, getting used to van life, and figure out what items actually are going to be used and what items are just going to be taking up space. But as far as the basics, Noovo has you covered. You have your gray water hose, or your stinky slinky as some like to call it. You have all your window coverings for all the windows around the whole van, so that's awesome. And just to note, that's not standard by many RV manufacturers, so that's truly impressive to include even the chassis, the cab window covers. And if you have the cassette option, they even include some biopacks, or some pods, as many of you know them called, that you throw in the cassette to help break down waste. You have all your adapters for your shore power cord. You have your shore power cord itself, and they use the smart plug. The smart plug is smart, as the name says. It's just a easier, safer, and better connection. This is not a surge protector, but it is a better shore power cord that definitely is far superior to the others on the market. And in this box right here, they even include a separate shower hose for your outdoor shower that's located right over here. Speaking of water, They will have you filled, so your fresh water tank will be filled. Of course, your tanks will be emptied, so you will be ready to hit the road and make your adventure back home, or if you're not going home and you're gonna live on the road, make your adventure to your next amazing camp spot that much sweeter, because you don't have to stop and take care of the basics. And the team has actually had some questions about, are the tanks here sanitized, etc. These are brand new tanks. They install them right when your rig goes into production and it gets to that step. So they are already sanitized from the manufacturer, and they are only opened when they are installed here. And then the first time anything goes in is when they put fresh water in for you to take it away. And I want to take a minute to introduce you to the sponsor of today's video, and that is us, Neil and Britt. So as you can see, I'm wearing this Neil and Britt shirt. So this is actually the Muna and Bjorn shirt, but we have a bunch of new merchandise on our website, neilandbritt.com. But on that note, let's get back to the episode. So once you've completed your walkthrough, you've gone through everything, you've had time to learn the systems, which, to be brutally honest with you all, it is a lot your first time, and especially if you are a first-time RV or van owner, these systems are going to seem very alien to you, but they are very easy to learn. It'll take just a few times, you'll learn it all, and you'll be a pro. But during that time, while you're learning, while you're trying to understand all these systems and the processes, you have tons of resources to go to. So you have the Noovo team themselves. You have Henry and Alex, which are your after sale experts. You will receive their business cards when you purchase the van, and you'll be able to contact them anytime you have a problem, and they will get you squared away. But as many Noovo owners are finding out, the Noovo Owners Facebook group is an amazing resource. Myself, Brittany, Marcy and Amy, etc. We are administrators on there, and we oversee it. We make sure that everybody's questions are getting answered as quick as possible. And it's just a place where all of us owners can come together, help each other out if we have any questions, any problems. And if the group can't answer it, Henry and Alex at Noovo definitely should be able to. And of course, we cannot forget about Noovo's website. Noovo's website has an owners tab that has a resources section with the manuals in PDF form for you to be able to look up things and figure out how to operate and use things on your own. So that would probably be a first great resource. But then of course you have the Facebook group and Henry and Alex, the after service care experts. And my personal recommendation would be to book a campground like one over at Lake Mead when you leave here, but don't use plugins. Go completely off the grid, don't have this hooked up, run all the systems, learn them while boondocking. But then of course, if you're at a campground with hookups, in case you didn't know how to do something or whatnot, you do have hookups as a backup so you have power. And I recommend this just because then you'll be close to Noovo if you had to come back, if they needed to show you something or walk you through something, just a little easier on that first night and the next day. And then after you pick up your Noovo, if you have not joined the Noovo Facebook group, you should definitely do it then. Hopefully you already did prior and you learned about the systems, got to talk to other owners and whatnot. But the Facebook group is going to be just an absolutely amazing resource that you can search on if you need a quick answer. There's a good chance somebody's already asked it before, but also a way to connect. And then when you're on the road, you could reach out and maybe camp out with other owners. And that about sums up pickup day. It's pretty straightforward. It's just a lot. You're going to be learning a lot of new systems. You're going to have a lot thrown at you at once. But like I said, the beauty is you have members of the Noovo team that their job is just to take care of you after the sale. You have the Noovo Facebook group, which is an invaluable resource that everybody should be on. And of course, you have ambassadors like me and others that can show you the ropes and teach you things along the way. So if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments, or if you just want to say awesome job, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment and say hi. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, that type of thing. Brittany and I just wanted to make sure that future owners could see exactly how the process goes, just get a rough outline of what it's going to be like.
And we do like to include a little swag bag with every van pickup, and this particular customer is getting a nice notebook, branded Noovo playing cards for your space inside at your table. We've got a couple of Noovo coffee mugs, And we've also got a nice keychain and a couple of stickers. My favorite thing that we like to gift you is a tool set, which comes in this cute little case, and it includes everything that you're going to need to make a quick little repair, even a tape measure, and of course your screwdrivers and needle nose pliers and things like that. So each little gift bag may be a little bit different, but this is something that is included in every one. The cards and keychains are pretty standard, but at times we will add a few things that we've kind of been coming up with, fun little surprises. So we're excited to gift this to you.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.